Hey everybody, I want you to check this out. This is 50 microfiber towels in like a compression pack for shipping. It's pretty, it's not rock solid hard, but it is pretty hard. It's also hard to believe that there's 50 microfiber towels in here, but they absolutely are, all right? The claim to fame for this is that it's in a shipping pack that is very economical to ship because of the size of the package. They're thick and soft. They're highly absorbent. They're lint-free and streak-free. They're long-lasting. They're eco-friendly and sustainable. And you can machine wash these on your warm cycle, okay? This is by AIDEA, called AIDEA Everyday. Now, I think there's 3 colors in here. We got your yellow, we got your gray, we got your blues. Doesn't matter what color you're using for what, they're all the same. But I'm going to be breaking these open pretty soon and using them. So these are 87% polyester and 13% polyamide. I don't know what that is, but if it's like any other microfiber towel on the planet, I'll be happy with them. But you won't believe that right there, 50 pack. Look at that, 50 pack. I don't think you can do any better than this. Thanks for watching.